Welcome. In this video we will learn creating resource script files to familiarize with many features of world's best framework for exploitation, hacking and penetration and pen testing, that is Metasploit. There are so many features and techniques for using those features that few pen testers or hackers are aware of all of them. Many times when doing a pen test or a hack, we need to run a number of Metasploit commands repeatedly. These commands may be exactly the same each time, and just like scripting, we may need to automatically run multiple Metasploit commands in a single step. Metasploit has capability to save and store these scripts, and they can then be recalled by script name. Metasploit calls these scripts resource files. Now let's explore resource script in Metasploit. First, let's take a look at where Metasploit stores its scripts. Let's navigate to User Share Metasploit Framework and insert that script and insert that resources and then do a long listing. For that, I will type change directory User Share Metasploit Framework Script Resource. Now directory has been changed, so let's list the files. For that, I will type ls-l. As you can see, Metasploit has numerous scripts already developed and stored here. Any new script that we write will be stored here as well. Now writing our own resource script. Now let's create our own simple script to start a multi-or handler necessary to receive connections such as we used in the first Powersploit tutorial. Start Metasploit, then enter commands we want in our script. Type msf console. Type exploit multi-handler. Type set payload Windows interpreter _HTTP. Type set el host 192.168.181.128. Set el port as 444. When you have completed all of the commands we want in the script, we simply use the keyword maker followed by the name of the script. Type maker c handler _http.rc. Now simply type exploit to start our handler. Now let's checking whether it was saved or not. If we go back to the location where scripts are stored, we can see that our new script handler _http.rc is now stored with other Metasploit prepackaged scripts. So that's it in this video on creating resource script files. Thank you for watching this video.